the heart of a legend, inside BMW engines, 3 letters stand above the rest. BMW. But have you ever stopped to think about what those letters actually mean? Bayerisch Motoren work. Bavarian Motor Works. Before they built luxury sedans or high-performance coupes, they built engines. It is the very middle name of the company. It is their soul. For over a century, BMW hasn't just built cars that move you from point A to point B. They have engineered mechanical masterpieces that move your soul. Today, we dive deep into the heart of the beast to understand why BMW engines are considered some of the finest pieces of machinery ever created. Section 1. The Inline-6 Legacy 4120. Visual note. An exploded view of an inline-6 engine, the B58 engine, a BMW M3 or M340i driving on a highway. Smooth pistons moving in a line. Narrator. You cannot talk about BMW without talking about the straight 6. While the rest of the world moved to V6 engines to save space, BMW stuck to the inline-6. Why? Physics. An inline-6 engine is naturally balanced. It cancels out its own vibrations. The result is a power delivery that is often described as silky smooth. Take the modern legend, the B58 engine. Enthusiasts call it the modern-day to Jay-Z. It is bulletproof, incredibly powerful, and capable of handling massive amounts of horsepower. It is the engine that powers everything from the 3 Series to the Toyota Supra. It is the perfect blend of reliability and pure, unadulterated performance. Section 2. The Technology of Speed 1. 2155 Visual note. Animated technical graphics showing air entering the engine, turbochargers spinning, glowing red engine parts, the twin-power turbo logo. Narrator. But raw metal is nothing without intelligence. BMW engines are technological marvels. They utilize a suite of technologies known as aerodynamics. We are talking about twin-power turbo technology. Now, don't let the name fool you, it doesn't always mean to turbos. It refers to a twin-scroll design that captures exhaust gases more efficiently. What does this mean for the driver? It means zero lag. It means that the moment your foot touches the pedal, the car lunges forward. Combined with Valvetronic and double vanos which allow the engine to breathe perfectly at any speed, you get an engine that is docile in the city, but a screaming monster on the racetrack. Section 3. The M-Power Monsters 1. 55 to 30 Visual note. Fast cuts of BMW M5, M8, or X5M on a racetrack. Drifting shots. Close-up of the V8 engine. Sound effect of a roaring engine. Narrator. And then, there is the M division. When the engineers at BMW M get their hands on an engine, they turn it into a weapon. Look at the S63 and S68 V8 engines. These are not just engines, they are power plants. They use a hot V configuration, where the turbochargers are placed inside the V shape of the engine block. This reduces heat loss and creates an instant throttle response that defies physics. These engines can launch a 2-ton luxury sedan from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. They produce a sound that is part thunder, part symphony, a roar that lets everyone know the king of the Autobahn has arrived. Conclusion. The ultimate driving machine 2. 33 o'clock visual note. A montage of various BMW models driving into the sunset. The camera pans away from the car to the horizon. Fade to the BMW logo. Narrator. From the smooth purr of the inline-6 to the thunderous roar of the V8, a BMW engine is more than just a collection of pistons and valves. It is a promise of precision, a promise of power. It is the reason why, no matter how many other cars are on the road, a BMW feels different. Because when you press that start button, you aren't just turning on a machine, you are waking up a legacy. This is BMW, the ultimate driving machine.